Samantala, isa sa nagmarka sa bagong gabinete ni Mark Carney ay ang posisyon ng tanging Pilipinong Member of Parliament na si Richie Valdez. Ang kanyang posisyon at kahulugan nito sa report ni Teresa Barrera.
I, Richie Valdez, do solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that I will truly and faithfully and to the best of my skill and knowledge execute the powers and trusts reposed in me as Chief Government Whip.
Emosyonal na tinanggap ni Liberal Member of Parliament Richie Valdez ang bagong posisyon niya sa gabinete ni Prime Minister Mark Carney Biernes. Ang pagbigay sa kanya ng posisyong Chief Government Whip paraan daw para itaas ang kanyang profile sa gobyerno ayon sa Vice Chair ng Filipino-Canadian Civic Action Network.
To give her a bit more profile, especially with the election that's supposed to come up this spring, it gives her an opportunity to still be in the news, to still be close to the new Prime Minister.
Sa kanyang bagong appointment, responsibilidad ni Valdez, suriin at tiyakin na lahat ng mga miyembro ng gobyerno nakikilahok sa mga debate at botohan sa House of Commons.
Her appointment as Chief Government Whip is not just a personal achievement, I think, for her, but a historic moment for us as the Filipino-Canadian community and for Canada as a whole. It's really a recognition of her dedication. She's worked tirelessly, and ability to bring people together is like a strength that is required within this role.
Dating kandidato ng Liberals sa British Columbia si Virginia Bremner. Aniya ang bagong posisyon ni Valdez isa sa pinaka-importante sa gabinete ni Carney.
It's probably one of the most important roles you can have in government because this is a role in which you must bridge all of the personalities together, bridge all the ministries together to ensure that you are all on the same page.
Inaasahan ang isang federal election ngayong 2025. Umaasa raw ang komunidad na sa bagong posisyon ni Valdez, may itutulak niya pa rin ang mga isyong mahalaga sa mga Pilipino sa Canada.
I sure hope that as our representative in Parliament, that those community voices are still echoed through her. And I think, come this election, she needs to speak to the issues that our community faces, the issues I listed, such as fighting inflation and the cost of living, and the regularization of people who are hardworking that come to this country.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.